Moto3 Practice 3 Lorenzo still the fastest, Marquez Second, Jorge Lorenzo still the fastest rider in Moto3 practice session of the British. After mastering the third session, on Saturday, 29/8 evening HRS, behind Lorenzo there is Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso. In the third free practice session held at Silverstone, Lorenzo posted a time of 2 minutes 1.429 seconds in the late session. After Marquez had approached the achievement of his time, for Lorenzo, this continued Oceania performance in the second practice session, when he was the fastest rider. Also outperformed Marquez. As a result, almost half the odds Marquez seconds are 0.459 seconds from the Yamaha rider to sit in second place. In third position is the Ducati rider, Dovizioso, with 2 minutes 1.969 seconds. Completing the top 5 was Dani Pedrosa, Repsol Honda, and Scott Reading, Mark DVS Honda. Meanwhile, Valentino Rossi returned to the show less than satisfactory after only a record time, 2 minutes 2.203 seconds, from 17 rounds and finish in 7th place. Below Bradley Smith of Tech 3 Yamaha, in the 8th to the 10th there is Cal Crutchlow, Paul Espargaro and Andrea Iannone. Results: free practice 3 British Moto Post rider team time lap 1 Jorge Lorenzo Yamaha 2 meters 01 4:29.14 2 Marquez Honda 2 meters 01 8:88 0.459 at 16 3 Andrea Dovizioso Ducati 2 meters 01 9:69 0.540 s 16 4 Daniel Pedrosa Honda 2 meters 02 20 0.591 s 17 5 Scott Redding Mark DDS Honda 2 meters 02 119 0.690 s 15 6 Bradley Smith Tech 3 Yamaha 2 meters 02 125 0.696 s 18-7 Valentino Rossi Yamaha 2 meters 02 203 0.774 s 17-8 Cal Crutchlow LCR Honda 2 meters 02 341 0.912 s 15-9 Paul Espargaro Tech 3 Yamaha 2 meters 02 346 0.917 s 17-10 Andrea Iannone Ducati 2 meters 02 443 1.014 s 1711 Maverick Benali Suzuki 2 meters 02 476 1.047 s 1612 Alexis Espargaro Suzuki 2 meters 02 482 1.053 s 1313 Danilo Petrucci 1.413 s Pramac Racing Ducati 2 meters 02 842 1514 Gianni Hernandez 1.552 s Pramac Racing Ducati 2 meters 02 981 1615 Eugene Laverty Honda 2 meters 03 120 Zasper 1.691 s 1516 Hector Barbera Avancha Racing Ducati 2 meters 03 263s 1.834 s 1617 Laurice Baz Forward Racing Yamaha 2 meters 03 363s 1.934 s 1418 Alvaro Bautista Grassini Aprilia 2 meters 03 444s 2.015 s 1619 Jack Miller LCR Honda 2 meters 03 626s 2.197 s 1420 Nicky Hayden Honda 2 meters 03 833 Zasper 2.404 s 1721 Mike DiMeglio Avancha Racing Ducati 2 meters 04 30s 2.601 s 1522 Stefan Bradl Aprilia 2 meters 04 152s Grassini 2.723 s 1723 Alex D'Angelis Idar Racing Project Art Aprilia 2 meters 04 689s 3.260 s 1324 Carol Abraham at Motor Racing Honda 2 meters 05 203s 3.774 s 1525 Claudio Corti Forward Racing Yamaha 2 meters 05 947s 4.518 s 15